Okay, hello y'all. We're going to be doing a short video on how to make pumpkin pie spice. As you all know, it's baking season now, so let's get going. I usually start with just your regular spices, your pantry ingredients basically. So I have 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, putting them all into one little container here. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of allspice, a pinch of black pepper. And we're basically just gonna stir that all up. As you can see there, try to break up the clumps. All right, my clumps are done, but you can stir as much as you want to. And then try to store it in a glass container with an airtight, see that, y'all? There we go. It stays in an airtight container for as long as you want to keep it. This is enough for the baking season. That's that. Pumpkin pie spice, done.